Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment. Okay, happy new year, guys. This new year will bring loads and loads of blessings to us and to you, all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always supporting me. Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make bitter leaf soup. So sit right back. Let me introduce you my ingredients for this bitter leaf soup. So you will be needing your pepper. I'm using yellow pepper here, already grated. Crayfish, leaf. I have my beef. For my thickener, I'm using acha. You can use cocoyam, you can use ofo, you can use oats if that is what you have. I'm using acha for my thickener. I'm using my ogiri here and my dried fish soaked in hot water. I have my palm oil, my salt, and my seasoning cube. So guys, let's get started. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, like my video, share my video, and comment on my video. Happy new year to you guys. You'll be seeing this video on the 1st of January. Happy new year. Thank you to all you my returning subscribers for your support. Thank you for all your support in 2022. Let's do more in 2023. 2023 will be a good year, a better year. Okay, all right guys, let's get started. So guys, I'll start by adding my meat to the pot. I'll add in my pepper. I'll go in with my seasoning cube. I'm going to turn it. I'm not going to add salt so that the meat can. I'm not adding salt at this point. Leave just seasoning cube and pepper. I'm going to cover this and allow it to steam. I'm going to steam it for about 3 minutes and then come back. So guys, I'm going to be adding my water now. This is the quantity of water I'll be using to make my soup. there. Our soup is almost ready. I'll allow this to cook for like 3 to 5 minutes, okay? And our soup is ready. If you are watching up to this point and you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on my video, share my video to your friends, share to your family members. So guys, our soup is ready now. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed watching my video, please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment, okay? We're coming on guys. Bye.